It's not packed because the snow's unpacked.
Going over to Gavin's house? Woo! What are you doing, Pi?
Adley, where are you going?
Where are you going?
Don't do it, Mommy. It's my job. Baby, that's my job. Adley, slow down. Turn around. Let's go find Mommy. Mommy's trying to shovel snow. That's Daddy's job. Uh-oh.
What? Make your snow angel, Pi! Make your snow angel! I did it! Excellent! Good thing you treated, Ashley.
No, that doesn't look right. We need them to find a native place. What are you doing?
Mommy's doing Daddy's job. Cause
Well, I won't last long, so...
Oh.